Hey everybody. I just wanted to post this real quick because it's going to be a little bit before I get the next videos out, and I didn't want to leave everybody hanging. So this is just sort of what's going on and what's coming up with the channel and why it's taking so long. Rest assured, I'm still here. I have a pretty big, ambitious sewing and video project coming up that I think a lot of you will be interested in. I'm gonna make a roll top backpack. This is just kind of a preliminary sketch. And I'm planning on making it a full tutorial. So I'm probably gonna make two of them, make one and then make another one as the tutorial, which is gonna take a while. And as part of that, I'm working on a couple of affiliate opportunities so I can point you guys in the direction of some good fabric suppliers and maybe some other stuff. So all of this is taking some time, and in the meantime, I've got another big project going on that has nothing to do with any of you, and that is my wife's birthday. I have something that I'm working on for her that has nothing to do with this channel. So in the meantime, coming before that, I'm working on my FOF 260, or sorry, my FOF 360, 260s back here. And I'm planning on doing a review of these two machines. They're basically the same, except one's a free arm and one's a flatbed. So hopefully that'll be out fairly soon. But anyway, if you've been a subscriber for a while, I appreciate your patience. There's a lot more subscribers than there are views on a lot of my older videos. So if you're looking for some sewing related content, you might go check out some of the older stuff. Some of it's crap, but some of it's pretty good. So that might keep you going, and I'll be back as soon as I can with some more stuff. Thanks for watching.